I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
Hello and good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Being Mrs. Fraser. If you're new, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Come along and join my YouTube family. I'm so grateful that you guys decided to click on today's video. As you can see, I am sharing my fall morning routine. The kiddos are officially back in school. They've been back in school for not quite a month yet, but we're still kind of trying to get a routine down, and yes, so I decided I thought I would go ahead and share my mornings with you. Now, this kind of varies a little bit, but most often than not, I always try to make sure that I tidy up the couch. We don't tidy it obviously at night, so in the mornings, once everybody is off to school, I light a candle and I get to work. I like to fix the cushions and then just kind of fluff and chop the pillows just to kind of, you know, basically make things presentable.
My heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world.
We are a family of 6, so we have a lot of laundry. So that's another thing I like to tackle. We do probably about 20 loads of laundry a week between all 6 of us. Now that includes not only clothing, but also bedding and towels. So I try to tackle as much laundry in a day as I can. Usually it's about 4 loads or so. It just depends on how long different things take to wash. Now, I washed these clothes yesterday. These are actually Freddie's clothes. Most often I try to have him fold his own clothes and put them away, but we're still kind of learning. He's only 9, so we're still kind of taking that day by day, or well, week by week when we wash his clothes. So sometimes I'll fold them for him, but 9 times out of 10, he is putting them away on his own. Another thing I like to do in the morning is vacuum. Again, we are a family of 6, 4 kiddos, and we have 2 cats. So we are kind of messy. And you know what? We live in Florida, and for whatever reason, although I don't let people wear shoes in the house, somehow sand still gets tracked in everywhere. And so I just like to give the house a good vacuum every day just to pick up that cat hair and that sand.
Where's the love I was promised as a token from above? Mother, son, sticking out the path of life for everyone. How will I know? I used to think that all it took was to pretend that life.
I just have to take a moment and say that I am still really loving my fall decor this year. If you haven't seen that video, definitely go check it out because it has some very fun, just inspiring decor in it that I had a lot of fun setting up and decorating and sharing with you guys. Again, I'm just loving it. I did kind of change things up there on the shoe organizers there in the background behind me, but yes, I'm absolutely loving how everything turned out. So if you haven't seen that yet, definitely go check it out.
When all I need is some good advice and a shoulder to cry on. If there's something left to figure out,
Next up is the bedroom. I like to always make the bed. There's just something about having a made bed that just makes the day good. It just sets my day, I guess, for success. I do pick every day or so, once a week, to do a more in-depth cleaning. For this day, the more in-depth cleaning is here in the bedroom. In more in-depth meaning that it is time to change the sheets and put some clean sheets on the bed. Now, I like to do this about once a week or so. I'll be honest, because, you know, in Tammy fashion, I like to keep things real around here, and the sheets don't always get changed every week. I like them to, but in all honesty, we are extremely busy, and some things just don't happen. But anyway, today we are changing the sheets and getting those washed. Now, tip from Tammy, when it comes to linens, make sure you have 2 sets of sheets. That way, while the one set is washing, you can put a clean sheet set on the bed. That way your bed is ready and made for the day. So that way, by the time the sheets get done, you can fold them, put them away, but your bed will still look made and nice. But also, I do not remember this, but all the time, and you guys are witnesses to that if you have seen my previous videos, but I always forget to dust before I make the bed. So, tip from Tammy, make sure you dust your bed before you make it. Again, this does not get done every single day. Dusting is about every other week here in the bedroom. The living room is different. I do try to dust that every week, but today was not the day. So I am dusting up here in the bedroom. Again, I kind of just clean as I notice things need them to be done. And the dusting kind of needed to be done. You can kind of see it starting to layer up there. And so I just wanted to clean that off. I also needed to put away the rest of the fall decor that I did not use in my fall decorating video. I don't know if you guys just saw there, I have a little bit of Halloween surprise for you guys. I know I said before I wasn't probably going to decorate for Halloween, but I am. Spoiler alert, I do have a few things, not a lot. We will get into that in the Halloween decor video that I cannot wait to share with you guys. I have a few DIYs, so, you know, we're all about saving money over here, and yeah, DIYs, we're going to be saving some money and sharing some fun Halloween decor with you. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and...
I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio is playing the song. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Will you still love me as I'm getting lonely and old? And when you are away, I sometimes shivering cold. It is hard to define you, but you're worth more than gold. When everything is told. Waiting at the
Since everything is dusted, I'm gonna go ahead and make the bed before I vacuum. I want to change my bedding out so bad. I'm over it. I don't know if you guys have noticed, I get bored with things fairly quickly, and I have had like white linens, a white bedroom for quite some time. Before we moved, it basically the same exact setup. And I don't know, I really want to change the bedroom. I know I've been saying that like for a year or well, a little under a year or so. I know I've been saying for a while that I want to redo our bedroom, and I really have some ideas in mind that I would love to share with you guys on an update. I am torn on the bedroom set. I don't want to get rid of the bedroom set because it's a beautiful set. It's heavy duty. We paid a lot of money for it. I mean, we've had it for like, I don't know, 10 years maybe. But I absolutely love it. And so I'm really torn on what I want to do with as far as the bed set goes. But I do have some ideas. I already have a paint color in mind for the walls. I want to do an accent wall. We're going to get rid of this rug. And yeah, I'm so excited though. Like, I have all the ideas in my head. And initially, had I done this when I originally wanted to, it would be totally different than what I have in my mind right now. So I'm glad that it has taken me so long. I am going to sit on this though through the holidays and let us get through the holidays, and then maybe in the spring update our bedroom. That way too, before I decide to do anything with the furniture, whether it's painting it or sanding it down to a lighter color stain, I can sit on it. So yeah. But anyway, I just want to finish up getting the bed made, and then we will move on. Then we will move on to the vacuuming.
Every morning after feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame. We're drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away? We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in.
Another thing I do every day is clean the litter box. Now, I know if you have cats, you know that the litter box kind of is not a fun chore, but it comes naturally with pets that you have to clean the litter box. And you know, y'all know cat pee stinks. Cat potty. The litter box stinks, you guys. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. Yes, it's in our bedroom. I hate that it's in our bedroom. We have nowhere else to put it. The bathrooms are not big enough. We don't have a laundry room like we did in our old house. So it is what it is. But to cut down on the smell, I make sure that I swear by Tidy Cat litter. It is the best. Yes, it is costly. But it works, and it fights the stink coming from the cat pee and feces. So it is what it is. It's in here. But again, tip from Tammy, make sure if you have cats that you are changing the litter box, or not changing it, but like scooping it, you know what I mean, fully scooping it. Don't shake when you are scooping clumps, because then it breaks it up and breaks into pieces, and then you're not getting all of that urine out of there. But it'll help combat the smell that comes from cats. Yes, so I do clean the litter box every day. I don't know. If you guys have any tips for me as far as where to put this thing, we have thought about all these different ideas, and I just don't know what to do with it. I do think I want to get something that looks a little nice, so it doesn't look like a litter box. But anyway, so now that that's done, the yucky of the day, and I got the vacuuming done, I go ahead and move on to the bathroom. Now, again, this is just something I like to wipe down the bathroom every day. Does it happen every day? No. Most days, yes. I like a clean toilet. Who doesn't? And yeah, so I do the bathroom. Again, I also shed a lot, so your girl sheds a ton. Like, I don't even know. I know it's normal though, on average. As a hairstylist, I know on average that people lose about 100 hairs a day. And I do. I just like to get that kind of cleaned up. Just kind of wipe down the toilet. I'm going a little more in depth than I normally do. On a daily basis, but I definitely do wipe everything down regularly. And
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
so I'm super excited. I do want to let you guys know that I do have a bunch of new videos coming up. Hobby Lobby's Christmas is officially at 50% off, and I'm so excited for that. So we're gonna go shopping. I do want to take you guys and share at home store. I don't know if you guys have one of those local to you. Ours is about 40 minutes away, but I'm super excited because we'll be in the area this weekend, so I can film in there for you guys and share their decor, so you know if the drive to yours is worth it or not. I also have some, like I said, some Halloween DIY decor ideas to kind of decorate on a tight budget. We're going to be decorating for Halloween, and let's see, I can't even remember everything I have coming up for you guys, but if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Come along, because I know you're going to be so excited with this journey. I have really enjoyed filming all these videos for you guys and sharing and chit-chatting with some of you guys in the comments. It really makes my day when you guys comment, so leave me a comment if you will. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm know that you guys are liking what I'm creating for you, and it'll help push my videos out to other viewers. So anyway, guys, the towels, well, yeah, towels, because I washed the towels, and the linens have come out of the washer, out of the dryer. They are officially clean. So I'm just finishing up my day with getting these folded and put away. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all stay happy, healthy, and safe until
Here with me, we never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone